Alright, so I'm over at a friend's house right now with a bunch of natural dirt. I know a lot of people like these cleaning videos, so someone suggested that I use the Bissell CleanView OnePass that I unboxed recently, since I wanted to pick a system, or I wanted to pick a machine that I knew was going to work well, one that was decently lightweight and had a big capacity, whether it was bagged or bagless. So this is what ended up working out. And as you can see, I definitely have not used it at all. It is completely, entirely clean, and not just clean, but sparkly and shiny and brand new. So this should do a good job. This is definitely not a medium pile carpet. This is probably like a more plushy style carpet, so I may have to put this up. Ooh, that was kind of scratchy at first, but now it's a bit smooth. So that should be good. What? Yeah, but it's doing good so far.
That's good.
Riles, do you want to try it?
Sure.
Do you want to try this one?
Sure.
Are you probably out of the plate bathroom pimples?
Yeah.
It's on the side. Nope, don't run over the cord.
On the court.
Don't go too fast. You always want to vacuum slow so it has time to get up everything. Plus then you don't ram it into anything.
Alright, I've had my fun.
You've had your fun?
Yeah.
Well, that's good. Okay, I'll finish. Okay, good. Move that out of the way. I won't film cleaning this entire trailer because this is an extremely big trailer. You can see there is a lot of carpet and area to cover. So I won't film the entire thing, but I will finish the rest of this room, which then again is pretty much finished. So I'll get a little bit more, and then this video will end, and I'll use this to clean out the rest of this. But you can see so far, it's getting a lot of stuff. Also, it's on the second to high setting, and this thing is extremely easy to push, yet it's still picking up everything. So this is clearly a plushy style carpet, so this is on the correct setting. So that is good. So CleanView Multi-Cyclonic OnePass 9595. Good so far. Considering how heavy this is, I love how easy this is to push. So that's really nice. So that's pretty much that. Okay, don't suck that up. Well, anyways, it works pretty well, so first impressions of using this thing are pretty good. So I'll finish the rest of this house and pick that up because that's not supposed to be sucked up. Anyways, this is Inteltech Studios signing out with a quick, crunchy first impression of the Bissell CleanView 9595A OnePass, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Peace.